Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Nested loops look scary, but we will crush this code segment. Let's trace the logic step by step to find the correct output pattern. Starting with the outer loop, R begins at 3 and decreases down to 1. For the first pass where R is 3, the first inner loop prints 2 dashes before stopping. Next, the second inner loop starts at R and goes to 3. Since R is 3, it prints 1 star. This gives us 2 dashes and 1 star for our first row. As R decreases to 2 and 1, dashes decrease while stars increase. This pattern perfectly matches the layout shown in option A. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust given values and check steps for option A.